So okay, I'm ready for backfill now. So we'll start that process. Get the excavator fired up and use that to help me. I'll just go up there with a shovel and do that bit first. Yeah, we'll get the excavator backfill, level out the actual area inside. Obviously there's a lot of soil being put in there recently, and then try and do something with the soil dirt around here, level this out a little bit better than it is. And then that'll be it for today. When I come back another time, I'll work on connecting this middle post with the back middle post. What I've got for that post there, this post on this side and on that side, I've actually got some steel work at home which I'm just going to cut down, so it's some channel, and then I can have 3 metre lengths of timber from one side to the other, and they can just slot in there, so I can actually build this up if I need to. If I wanted to turn this into a location where I put all the mulch in the future, I can actually have that as like a compost. See, I'm going to need quite a lot of dirt to backfill this, but we're going to get this started. Okay, at the end of another day, this is it backfilled. I've done all the backfilling, cleared out the stall as best I can. I mean, it's not perfectly level, but it is actually sloped so water will run away from the back, which is good. And yeah, all the backfilling done and cleaned up this area.